Am I to be blamed? Story. They're chasing me! They're chasing me! No, I must not let them catch me. I have enough money now. Yes, enough for my starving mother and brothers. Please, let me go, officer. Let me go home before you imprison me. Very well, officer. Take me to your headquarters. Good morning, Captain. No, Captain, you're mistaken. I was once a good girl just like the rest of you here. Just like any of your daughters. But I was reared in slums. But we lived honestly. We lived honestly in life. My father, mother, brothers, sisters, and I. But then, poverty enters the portals of our home. My father became jobless. My mother got ill. The small savings she had saved for our expenses were gone. Were spent all for our daily needs and her needed medicine. One night, my father went out, telling us that he would come back in a few minutes with plenty of foods and money. But that was the last I ever saw him. He went with another woman. If only I could put my hand on his neck and wring it without pain until he breathes no more. If you were in my place, you'll do it too, won't you, Captain? What? You still won't believe in me? Come and I'll show you a dilapidated shanty by a railroad that I call home. Mother? 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 Mother! There, Captain! You see my dead mother? Pack this money! What good does it do to my dead mother now? Captain, there are tears in your eyes. She's gone. She's already gone. Am I to be blamed for the things I have done? That's all. Thank you.